If you drive a modern BMW, chances are you're sitting in one of the most advanced cockpits on the road, but most drivers only scratch the surface. Today, I'll guide you panel by panel, menu by menu, explaining exactly what to press, when to use each function, and how to fix common issues, so you can actually use the technology instead of fighting it. Before we start, subscribe to the channel. It's free for you, but it helps us keep creating clear, real-world guides like this one. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll share hidden BMW shortcuts and fixes most owners never discover. Every modern BMW is built around three main visual zones. 1. Digital instrument cluster. 2. Central iDrive screen. 3. Head-up display. Your goal is to assign the right information to each zone, so you never overload your attention. Unlike some brands, BMW lets you control the cluster mainly through steering wheel buttons, driving modes, iDrive display configuration. Action 1. Turn the car on. 2. Look at the left side of the steering wheel. 3. Use the arrows and OK button to navigate cluster options. If nothing changes, your cluster is in a locked layout. We'll fix that next. BMW clusters change behavior depending on driving mode. Action 1. Press mode. 2. Cycle through Comfort Sport Eco Pro. You'll notice Comfort equals balanced, Clear Info Sport equals Performance Focus Eco equals Efficiency Focus. Recommended for daily driving. Back hand index pointing right. Comfort mode, it shows speed, navigation, assistance icons, and warnings in the clearest way. Many BMW drivers panic when icons disappear. Here's the rule. Green lane lines / steering icon equals system actively assisting, gray icons equals system available, but waiting for conditions, yellow warning equals feature temporarily limited. If lane assist turns gray, lane markings may be unclear, speed may be too low or too high, hands not detected on wheel. Tip: BMW requires light steering input, not pressure. Just rest your hands naturally. BMW's HUD is extremely customizable, but buried in menus. Action 1. Open CAR settings, displays, head-up display. 2. Adjust height, brightness, content. Best setup: speed plus speed limit plus navigation plus driver assistance indicators. This allows you to drive without constantly looking down. If the HUD looks weak or blurry, clean windshield inside and outside. Adjust seat height, reduce polarized sunglasses effect, increase brightness manually during daytime. BMW HUD works best when you fine-tune it once. Most BMW hidden features live under CAR, not navigation or media. Action 1. Press CAR on the screen or controller. 2. Enter settings, driver assistance, displays, climate control. This is where your car becomes customizable. BMW assistance systems are powerful but sensitive. Action 1. Go to CAR, driver assistance. 2. Enable forward collision warning, lane departure warning, steering assistance, blind spot detection, speed limit information. 3. Enter individual settings and adjust sensitivity. Start with medium / standard, avoid setting everything to early, unless you like constant alerts. Result: safer driving without constant beeping. BMW's adaptive cruise works best when combined with steering assist. Action 1. On the highway, press the cruise control button. 2. Set speed. 3. Set following distance. 4. Confirm steering assist is available. If steering assist doesn't activate, lane lines unclear, speed outside, supported range, driver assistance partially disabled. BMW systems are conservative by design. This is normal. BMW rain sensors rely heavily on windshield condition. Action 1. Set wiper stock to auto. 2. Adjust sensitivity using the stock wheel. 3. Clean the windshield, especially around the rear-view mirror area. If wipers behave randomly, it's almost always glass contamination, not a system fault. Fogging is a setup issue, not climate weakness. Action 1. Open climate automatic mode. 2. Enable auto air distribution. 3. Enable automatic defogging. If fog appears, press front defrost, briefly return to auto after 30 to 60 seconds. BMW climate systems work best when you don't micromanage them. BMW follows a clear system. Red equals stop safely. Immediate action, yellow equals caution or feature limited, white / gray equals information only. Action when a warning appears. 1. Don't panic. 2. Read the full message 3. Open vehicle status check control 4. Follow the suggestion. Many assistance warnings disappear automatically after conditions improve. BMW lets you assign shortcuts to number buttons or widgets. Action 1. Navigate to the feature you use often. 2. Hold a number button 3. Assign it as a shortcut. Perfect 4. Driver assistance HUD settings climate controls. BMW pushes updates remotely. Action. Check CAR settings remote software upgrade monthly. After updates, revisit driver assistance. New options may appear. If something acts strange, 1. Turn car off 2. Lock it 3. Walk away for 2 to 3 minutes 4. Restart. This resets many temporary glitches without dealer visits. Copy this. Driving mode. Comfort HUD. Speed plus navigation plus assistance sensitivity. Standard climate. Auto plus auto defog on wipers. Auto, medium sensitivity. This gives maximum clarity, minimum distraction.